In this tutorial I will show you how to create glass text effect in Photoshop. Choose the Type tool and write your text. Create a new adjustment layer. Choose solid color. Follow the settings. Choose the text layer. Right-click, choose the blending option. Fill opacity 0. Select bevel emboss. Follow the settings. Select Inner Glow. Follow the settings. Select the drop shadow. Follow the settings. When you finish, press OK. Create a new adjustment layer and choose the gradient. Choose the blue. Change the gradient style to radial. Select the reverse. When you finish, press OK. That's it, hope you like it. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below you have any question.